Yes, Tejal, I welcome you for today's special meeting wherein I was so happy that you've created miracles in your health. And I'm so grateful that you have been following it regularly. So I would really like you to come up with your words, what all you did and how you manifested the miracle you are very happy with.
So first of all, ma'am, thank you so much for this opportunity that, I can inspire someone by sharing my miracle, and for all the tasks that you had given to us and you made sure that we follow it, no matter what. So ma'am, first of you actually asked me, and our Ho'oponopono, since I am your Ho'oponopono student, you asked us to do the task of random 10 gratitudes every morning, and you made sure that we do it. So ma'am, in the your Telegram group platform, we used to share 10 gratitudes every day, and that actually lifted our spirits. Each morning we started our day. So at that time I did not realize as much. Then you threw that actually continued for about 20 days, I guess.
Yes.
And then you threw this 100
Challenge
gratitude challenge.
for 21
And
days.
yes, I accepted very casually, although. So the first day I was very enthusiastic that I will do it, and I did it on before time. The second day, I had some other work, but I still, since I promised you, so I did it again. And on my third day itself, I just got my results.
Wow.
So result was such, ma'am. When I started paying 100 gratitudes, I did not know how and where to start. So then I started, as you guided us, that कि अपने lungs में हम लोगों ने कभी अपने heart को gratitude pay नहीं किया है या lungs को नहीं किया है. ये 2-3 points आपने बोले थे मैम. So उस हिसाब से मैंने देख के फिर मतलब सोच के फिर I started to pay gratitude to my whole body. I did not realize what I was going to do, how magical it would be. I really did not realize when I started. So एक part, एक organ, एक nerve, एक मतलब एक सेल को थैंक यू बोलना शुरू किया क्योंकि 100 करना था. दिमाग में था कि हाँ 100 करना है. फिर वो देख के काफी सराउंडिंग में भी काफी चीजें ऑब्जर्व करके थैंक यू बोला टू द यूनिवर्स दैट दे हैव universe has given us so much in abundance that we do not realize. तो वो gratitude pay करते करते वो feeling आ जाता है कि wow, I'm really blessed. हम लोग ऐसे ही अपने लाइफ में बस कंप्लेन करते हैं कि we are lacking this and we are lacking that. And then it clicked me that I should pay gratitude to my uterus. I was rather, I would say just before 2 days or just before, no, probably a week ago, I was a PCOD patient. And my gynec, I used to consult my gynec. So she prescribed me a course for 3 months since I was actually having trouble in my menstruation cycle. And because of that trouble, I actually had my hemoglobin down to level 8.5, which is very, very low.
Okay.
And I had to take pills to stop my menstruation cycle. So then I realized that I should start paying gratitude to my uterus as well. Let's see kya magic karta hai. So,
And she had told you to go for a surgery, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So if I have completed this 3 months course और उसमें भी अगर मेरे को परेशानी उसके बाद भी हो रही है तो गाइनेक said that surgery recommend करेगी वो. I might have
And it was
to
over
remove.
5 months.
Yes, ma'am. It
You
was
had
before
passed the
5 months.
period.
It was
Yeah.
before 5 months. So since last 2 months, I was trying this thing to pay gratitude and do ho'oponopono for my uterus. There was
Okay.
nothing wrong except maybe some hormonal imbalance. It was huge hormonal imbalance. और वैसे सब कुछ ठीक था, पर मैम फिर मैम गायनेक मेरी डॉक्टर ने बोला था कि अगर ये चलते रहा, जो 3 महीने तक चलते रहा था, उसके बाद मैंने पिल्स लेना छोड़ दिया और सिर्फ प्रेयर किया एंड ग्रेटिट्यूड पे किया, और विद इन 2 months literally I have reversed that situation, uh reversed my
Condition.
condition back
Yeah. Yeah.
to normal.
Okay. It's amazing,
So there's no,
from, yeah, from totally negative to 100% positive, that, you were digging deep inside your soul and finding out for what next I can pay gratitude. That's how you reached the condition that you came to the uterus, and you've been doing Ho'oponopono also and paying 10 gratitude. And now this, I think it was third day or the fourth day when this miracle happened, of
yes ma'am,
100 gratitude.
yes ma'am, yes ma'am. और मैम एक चीज और मैंने नोटिस किया है, नाउ आई एम नोटिसिंग इट वेरी माइन्यूटली, कि जब जब मैं किसी एक ऑर्गन या किसी भी चीज को, अपने बॉडी का कोई भी पार्ट हो, किसी भी चीज को अंदर से वो महसूस होता है, अंदर से वो फील होता है कि इट इज रियली ओपनिंग अप, इट इज
Wow.
सेइंग लाइक, अंदर से वो खुशी महसूस होती है मैम। पता
Wonderful.
नहीं अंदर से बॉडी मुझे थैंक यू बोल रहा है somehow, since I
Excellent.
am paying
Excellent.
gratitude to it.
Excellent.
और दूसरा मिरेकल मैम मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगी कि ये ग्रैटिट्यूड मेरा स्पिरिट इतना लिफ्ट कर दिया है। मतलब
Wow.
मैं स्पाइरल डाउन होती थी हमेशा, कुछ भी अगर ट्रिगर हो गया मेरे सामने, कुछ ऐसी चीजें सर्कमस्टेंसेस हो गई, तो आई यूज टू ट्रिगर डाउन अ लॉट, आई यूज टू, मतलब वो स्पाइरल डाउन अ लॉट विद दैट ट्रिगर, कि अब क्या होगा, पैनिक हो जाती थी, या तो गुस्सा आ जाता था, या तो एंजाइटी हो जाती थी, वो एकदम कट शॉर्ट हो गई। So within like 5 minutes, I'm back to normal. मेरा calmness, I'm getting back. I have been mindful with this gratitude practice. कि नहीं, ये मैंने क्या कर दिया, मैम ने तो बोला था डबल द हैप्पीनेस करो, तो डबल द हैप्पीनेस याद करके करना है, फिर कैंसिल कैंसिल करो तो याद करके कैंसिल कैंसिल करना है। रोमी मैम, आपका चेहरा मेरे सामने आ जाता है जब ट्रिगर होता है।
Oh God, oh God. Which is like, um, think about the devil, and devil is there. I come there. Don't be sad. Be happy. I just make you to smile.
और
Excellent.
immediately I start smiling. Thank you so
Oh,
much. It's not devil, ma'am. You are an angel for us. You are an
oh
angel
God.
for us.
You all are, we had been, I've been telling you that so many people promised me that we will do this, we will join the program, we will come for free webinar, we will come. I mean, continuously, your kind of experiences, yours is amazing, because it is just that recent, and we forget overlap, more miracles, more miracles. And when I say that every moment miracles are happening in my life, this is my miracle. I never feel that you become a magician, but I feel that the happiness you are getting is giving me much more happiness than you can think of. It's so amazing that you guys are doing wonders. That is why I've kept the name of Miseries to Miracles. You
Right,
remember? And
right,
the way
right.
we are shifting our frequency in Miseries to Miracle, the way the blockages are removing with Ho'oponopono, and the way your consistency in learning in all these 2 months, you had been so regular in every area. That's how you could create results, and you're working on it. And this is what is an action frequency. I say now, feeling, thoughts, beliefs, and actions. So you've come to that platform where miseries are over
You
and
pulled us
miracles are
through.
happening.
You have
Yes.
pulled us through. और यही चीज मैम, अगर मुझे आप 5 साल पहले देखते तो आई वॉज लिटरली अ डिप्रेसिंग पर्सनालिटी। मुझे पता है, मैं महसूस करती थी, बाहर से नहीं दिखता था, बट अंदर से वो सैडनेस जो रहती थी, और somehow universe has guided me to come to you, and really miracle happened. It
Thank
is
you
a
so much.
true story. I can say, I can vouch for this misery to miracle. I am the one who has transferred myself from a misery mindset to a miracle mindset.
Excellent,
Thank you
excellent.
so much.
It's totally, I start having goosebumps the moment you guys share your experiences. Amazing. And I thank you really from the bottom of my heart for following it, which is
No,
more
thank you
important to
so
me.
much. अगर आप यहाँ पे होती तो मैं पता नहीं क्या करती,
Yes.
सामने होते
Let's see,
तो
have
I
a
would run
virtual
to
hug.
just hug you and
Yes.
आपके पैर छूने. Thank you so much. Thank you.
No, thank you so much for all the regard and respect, and see you at 7:30
Yes,
for the next session of ours on Ho'oponopono. Or you
yes,
want to say
ma'am.
something else?
No, I would actually recommend this for all the women who are going through PCOD. आजकल पता है शायद कि every other fifth women in every uh, one woman in
Community,
5
yeah.
of the women, I guess that is the consensus.
Very common.
कि
It's very, very
PCOD
common.
normal है, तो
Yes. And
please
also,
go for it.
uterus issues are so many because of we are living in so much of stress. The moment we pray for you, the moment you pray for others, your blockages are removing, which is like onion peel, which is
Yes.
creating so many results every day, every
And
day.
at a very, very young age, we get all these
Yes,
troubles. So
yes,
we can
yes.
really handle all this and get it cured by just praying and doing these stuff. So please,
Excellent.
please, please, I'm actually recommending all the women to come to you and do this prayer.
And get over with all your troubles and live the life of abundance, right?
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
I love you. Take
Love
care
you.
and see you in the evening. Bye
Bye.
bye. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.